Yes, dear. What's your name?
My name is Lapita.
Okay, where are you from?
India.
India. How old are you?
21 years old.
Okay, now you are in my office. Okay, it's a Tadbir. Tadbir, it's a Ministry of Human Resourcing office, government own office. Okay, you come for what?
I come from House-Maid job.
House-Maid. You know what is the profile of House-Maid?
Yes, I know. Like cleaning, cooking, baby care, that's everything.
Yes. Okay. Related house, you have to do ironing, washing, cleaning, take care of baby. If madam teach you, you have to do cooking also. Okay. You come for how many years?
2 year contract.
Okay. Lazim, you have to finish 2 years. After 2 years, you have to go back your country back. Okay. Here, very safe and secure there. Here, no one can touch you, no one can beat you, even no one can hold your even 1 day salary. Okay. Same for you. Okay. And your salary will be 1,000 dirham, right? Okay. And our office give you everything, right? Ticket, visa, and so we are not take any money from you. Even you came here, our office gave you training, food, job, accommodation, employment visa, everything. We are not take any money from you because of you have to finish your 2 years. After 2 years, you have to go back your country. Thank you. Yes, dear, come here. Now, how many days you are here?
10 days.
10 days. Now you have a sponsor, okay? You already make interview on call, right? Okay. When I bring from India, we are promise you only 1,000 dirham salary. But madam told you 1,200, okay? Now you have to go on work. Already finished contract and everything, okay? Do your best, okay? Don't come back before 2 years, okay? Bye.
Hello madam, I'm Lapita. I'm from India. I'm single. I know how to cooking, cleaning, washing, iron, baby care. Thank you.